Hi, I'm Brady from Easy Tracks, and in this video we're going to learn how to play Free Fallin' by Tom Petty. Well, I'll just show you the way they do it on the recording using a drop D tuning. Let's take a listen to the track here using Easy Tracks. Let's pull up just the acoustic part. It's going to be that riff over and over, right? So I have a chart here I've made. Let's pull that up. So the first chord here is a D, looks like this. Open fourth string, then second fret, third fret, second fret. Then the next chord, D sus4, we're going to add our pinky to the D chord on the tiny string. So, right. Then we're going to play that D sus again, and then release back. And then here it says A. And then A is where we take fingers 1, 2, and 3. We kind of cram them all on that second fret. And play open fifth string. Okay. So D sus, then A. Now what they do in the recording, instead of playing a normal A, let's leave our third finger on the third fret for this whole song. It's going to make this an A sus. So here it is. So the third finger never lifts up, right? So the rhythm, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 right? So now let's pull up Easy Tracks again, and let's try playing along with the recording. This time I'm going to mute the acoustic guitar part, and this song, the electric guitar part, basically does what the acoustic guitar is. So now you're just going to hear the bass and vocals and drums.
In America too.
I'll leave the click
She's
in there.
A good girl, yeah. Crazy about Elvis.
Let's see if we can play along.
Loves horses.
2.
And a boyfriend
1, 2, 3, go.
And it's a long day living in the cedar. There's a freeway running through the yard.
Right.
I'm a
Okay, now during the chorus, it's going to get a little more strummy. Well, I'm free. Right, so we're adding more 16th notes. So we think of our right hand as 1 E end, a 2 E end, a 3 E end, a 4 E end. You'll hear where to go. You can make up your own strum pattern, but the main idea is to keep this right hand going 1 E end, a 2 E end, a 3 E end, all right? So if you start feeling like you're tripping, you're probably not keeping that right hand like a metronome, okay? Let's talk about how to do this with the drop D tuning. So I'm going to take my capo off. I'm going to make my 6th string match my 4th string. All right. So now when I put the capo back on, I'm going to be able to play a D chord, but with all 6. Right. Now, when I play my 2nd chord, I'm actually going to play a full G chord, but since I'm in this new tuning, I'm going to have to put that note up here and bar like this. So it's then back to my normal A sus. You can do this if you're feeling daring, but the other version works too. Let's try playing the full version along with the recording. Turned off the guitar parts.
Bad boy, 'cause I don't even miss her. I'm a bad boy for breaking her heart.
More strum.
Now I'm free. Free falling. Yeah, I'm free. Free falling. All the vampires
you get the idea. So you can do the easy version or drop D, the full version. Get those extra bass notes. So that's how you play Free Fallin'. Good luck. What I do on easy tracks, I isolate the guitar part like I showed you. Practice that. You can slow it down using the speed function here. And once you have that down, you can turn off the guitar parts to see if you can play along just like we did. So happy practicing.